Welcome to your Park MGM King Room number 311. You have your king bed in the recessed wall with art, 2 fancy lights, one on each side, 4 pillows, not that many, not that great, that's okay. You have your light switch next to the bed, very convenient, easily reachable. Charging options, lots of them, super great. Recessed cubbies in each nightstand for additional storage. Full-length mirror with nice lighting on each side, which is helpful for getting ready. Very small TV credenza, not much storage space on top there, but you do have all of your charging options and input options. A large couch across from the foot of the king bed with a view of the MGM Grand across the way. Also, lots of shopping options, very convenient if you are going to stay in this hotel. You also have a view of a lot of roofs and the Waldorf. Lighting options, even more super cool ones with exterior wiring and a cool switch. You have your closet, kind of small, very few hangers. You have your ice bucket and your glasses in there too. Then you have your basics with the iron, the ironing board, the safe, 4 drawers. Not much space, but that's okay. And this door actually slides to cover either the closet or the bathroom. And in the bathroom, standard sink with some tabletop space on the right. You've got your concave magnifying mirror. That's pretty cool. Got your good size walk-in shower. That's nice, spacious, average shower head, not fancy, not terrible. More space to put your things and a hair dryer. No private toilet room, but you do have that privacy wall there. And that's it. Great room, great hotel. Thanks again for watching Hops and Hardway's room review. Be sure to click that subscription button and the notification bell.